Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to your time. God bless everybody for me. Oh. My popori people, my amazing people, God will bless you now for me. My people, the way when I think they like my video, they share, they comment, God will bless you now. And I get another news wey be say abeg my lovely people, if you know say you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, wetin dey wait for? I know say no be everybody I fit share and give. Abeg you enter YouTube, you type Mrs. Edith Jonathan, you go just see am for there. Just press that subscriber button for there and press the bell follow am anytime when I tell upload video. And wetin we go dey put for YouTube, wow, you yourself you go surprise. You just dey use am take dey while wait time, pick the one wey you wan pick for inside, the one wey no still be yours, still leave am according to as you dey do for page for here. And also if you never follow my page, wetin you dey wait for? Just type Mrs. Edith aka mother of all. You just type am. If you type am, you go press that follow this thing for the down. God will bless you as you do that. If you watch finish, like, comment and share. God will bless you as you do that for me. My people, today, because I talk about love, many people constantly they call me say, this love when we dey talk, so the way when some people still take see am, they constantly explain to me. I still look some na truth. Love. I not talk say you must just, for example, now say you dey America, you dey UK, you dey Italy, you must just love everybody when you dey Italy. Wetin we understand about love be say no do bad against anybody. I don't say make you go person house, make you go dey cook for am. No. If you even get friend wey be say the friend wey you know say he wan put you for fire, you wan put you for the place where you be say you know fit draw yourself comot, I no talk say make you hate that person, still love am, no plan any evil thing against am. Na that one we dey call love. E no mean say you go dey cook for person or you with the person must dey eat every day. No. What the kind of love wey you still get for the person, still show am, but no plan evil against person. Or maybe because say you and the person no dey eat for one plate now, or you and the person una no get where una for the sea, say because of that one the person you no go love am. You must love am. Love be say you no plan any evil thing against that person, and not talk about that person bad, no destroy that person for back. Na love. Because some people just dey now, you no get wetin you do there, because out of hatred you just say, abeg, maybe person just make sure your nigga say, abeg let that one go, that one na person, all those kind of thing. That one not be love, na hatred. Not because say you hate person, you dey destroy, you need to give another person when be say you go love her. No. Brother, not do like that. Sister, not do like that. That will not be love. And if you not say the person you don't like her, let one love the person, let one like her. May you love her with your way when you take see her. Not destroy anybody. Now they talk. I not say maybe you and the person must eat for one plate, or you must cook go give her, or you must carry money go give her. No. Different love now they see. Different love now they see. So you must show person. Even when you go see some people now, you see some people, you go even greet them. But then they born you, I no understand. You greet person first time, you no go answer him. Second time, you no go answer. Third time, you no go answer. You know say the person not need you for your life now. You leave her. That one not me say you hate the person. The best thing be say, the important thing be say, no plan evil against that person. And that person, you no utter word to you, and you no utter word to the person. Let that person go and not destroy that person name for back. Now be love. If person even ask you say, why you and this person not dey greet? Talk as the way when it happen. No cut join her, no cut comot. Now that one be love. You don't show your love for them, be that. You no understand? I beg. Now be love. And if you also get money to take help person, I not say me you no help person, all of them are still love. As I first say talker, you'll still help the person. Remove that person for that problem. That's still love. Or you see person when be say you fit put smile for your face, put the smile. If you don't say you fit do the thing, now still love. Now different love now they see. Because many people, you know, they call me, they want turn the thing upside down. No, different love now they see. Not because say you go no, it no matter say you are the person that you they see every day, or now they call every day. You feel they call now, may God forbid bad thing. Maybe my pikin, my child, my pikin now, maybe enemy, maybe they come for school now. You get one difficult something for roads. You see my pikin now. You rescue the pikin for anything when be say e dey, or any problem when be say e be one enter. Now love is short to me. Because if you leave the pikin for there with the problem, now be say you don't love me. When you know say na my, even though say you don't even know say na my pikin, but you don't show that love to me, say, may I rescue this pikin, because children are everybody you. And not because say you know they greet me, or because say me with you know they talk. Say I can't see, maybe I can't see your pikin for difficult place now. I'll say you not concern me because the mama no they greet me, or because the papa no they greet me, may I leave that pikin. No, God will punish me, put. I go show that love. And everybody, if you see that kind of thing, show the love. Leave the past where be say maybe you with the papa day or you with the mama day. God, show that love to that innocent child. Because na different love now they see. Or I feel hold something now, maybe something like food or anything. Another person pikin feel your rock. Maybe I know say if I give the pikin that thing, I will use and rescue his life. And maybe papa not did, mama not did that. I'll fair rescue. If don't say papa concuss me, if mama concuss me, God see my heart say, now rescue, I rescue that pikin. Now only when the papa and mama go there, I get the right to ask say, I feel give your pikin this thing. If you say yes, I give. If you say no, God knows I already show my love. Now different love. This love when they talk so, it's deep and it's wide. You see some people now, they go all hate you for nothing sake. You not get what you do them. You not get what you do them. They go just hate you. That is, they don't let your matter come up for their men. That kind of people, if you get love for them, with your mind, say you know they play anything against them. Anything what they do, now back to sender. You know understand? Now back to sender. Because me, I don't see where be say person, or even though say the person even offend you, the person don't let go. But you say you want to carry the thing put for head. You don't want to let the thing go. You don't want to let the peace of God reign between two of you now or anything like that. Now you know the blessing will go to who need that. Who no need that way be say the thing what can you for your head way be say this thing I no let go. You better die with it with the sin. You will die with the thing with the sin. Let who need the blessing carry the blessing. Now see part of love now be that. This life when we dey so. Now human will be nobody will know they make mistake. Maybe person if you make mistake for your side now. Because of that one, and you can't use that thing against that person. I know said you not be God. Then they talk about the person. So people now don't just say, hey, this person don't tell me, oh, may I run for this person. That person when you say, may you run for this person, now you crazy the person. That person when you want to run for, when you fair to start with, don't already do the thing when they say they do for your eye. No. I will not let them be like that. All those kind will not be love. Not be love. Not use, they use lie because of say you want to make this person be your best friend. They use lie. You want to use lie, make her be your best friend. No. Not let her be like that. If you want to follow person play, follow and play. No destroy people, nay, give them. Because of that one, say me, can't be your best friend. Tomorrow won't look like. Because you when they destroy person, you don't know who wants to go talk about you. How tomorrow won't look like. You don't know. That person when you talk say may be your best friend. You don't know with the heart whether you want may you be best friend. Or maybe he needs you, may you call it the way you tell need that. No. Show love. Who want to be your best friend will be your best friend. Not destroy anybody. Not let anybody problem be your own. Go with the way God say create you. And let others be. If you are person they play, maybe the person with the other person not they play. It not be say they be enemy. It not be say they be enemy. Because that's what they not call they call or they not come dey hug each other for where you dey, they not come dey eat together, it doesn't make them enemy for me. We see, we greet, we are not enemy. Because I not come your house, we not be enemy. Because if they do something, you invite me, I not come, we not be enemy. The love wey that person get for you for inside your heart, na im matter. Not be laugh wey follow you laugh. You just see some people, they just say, hey, they follow you, they talk, they gossip, they do everything. But inside them, what they think about you, na im matter. And the character wey they want go possess for against you, if they don't come up for where you dey, na im matter. And that one they call love. Not follow me laugh finish, make you go destroy me for back. That one not be love. Not follow me eat finish, make you go destroy me for back. That one not be love. That one not be love. Or maybe I do something finish for you, you don't let it tell me thank you. Later you come, they tell people, say, I beg me they go, which kind of yet thing do for me? That one not be love. Because that kind of person, now maybe I call here tomorrow now, I know I'll get that man when I want to show another person that love. Appreciate. If you not say the person, now love is still show you, still appreciate and still love the person back. You know understand? You know me say, I buy 1,000 or something give you, you must buy it for me back. No. The kind of love when you go still show, the kind of the appreciation, everything, you go not say, yeah, this person, this thing, you receive it with all your heart and with the love. You know understand? Now be love. This love, what would they talk about? If you say more from today, go and another design, go reach next year, you know go finish. I beg. Love wide. People when they call me, they give me many reasons why they not feel love people. See what people don't do. They let's go, let the thing go. Move on with your life. Not me. You face the person, more agree, but love the person with all your heart. Not play evil against that person. Love her. You know me say you not call your house, come eat. You know me say you not go your house, come eat. Maybe now they go each other house, go they eat before. No. Not let that one be your problem. If you still come to that, say una see they eat for each other house again or anything, you not remove anything. The important thing are the heart, your heart. What it did the both side, what it did their heart, na it matter, not be other thing. Na be the thing, my people, I beg. Love one another, as I first talk. As you do that, God will bless you. God will continue to increase us. Happy Christmas in advance. I wish you best for this Christmas. I beg my people, may we be careful, may we be prayerful. As they do that, God will continue to bless us, and He will keep us in the remaining days of this year, month. We will enter new year with happiness, with good health. I beg, if you not say where we go, say not to save, may we not go, because sometimes if the thing don't happen, we'll come and say, now work of devil, God no hear person prayer. Sometimes you know say where they go, say God no want me you go there, you yourself you know say that place not made for you. No go risk your life. I beg. That time they not come to say where God when they serve. No, may we not let them be like that. May we protect ourselves as God they protect us. They go mostly they help ourselves. God will bless us. We go see next year with happiness. This Christmas we'll see how we'll do it with good health and happiness. I beg. As I first talk, if you still get love, if you still get it when you want to show people love, show. Not be money. I first talk, not everything not be money. Anyhow when you want to show people love, put smile on somebody's face. I beg. Put smile for person face. Now that one your face dey important. So that means that person see they happy the way when you they happy. I beg. God will bless everybody. Thank you. Please, my people, I beg. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my page. God will bless everybody as you do that. Remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.